This is a Neewer small tabletop tripod. It was sent to me to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $26. They haven't paid me for this review, and my opinion remains my own. Alright, so in the box you get this branded case. Has a shoulder strap there. And inside of that is the tripod itself. Alright, comes with a little instruction manual, and this is a tabletop tripod, so I think the maximum height here is going to be about 24 inches. So you can see the legs do extend. There's 2 of these cam clamps and 3 sections total. And it does have a hook on the bottom, so you could conceptually put some type of weight on this guy. It has this little triangle clamp you can clamp down. Alright, so this is the maximum height of the tripod. They do have a little 4-inch extension here. It's kind of difficult to rotate. It's really not long enough to gain a whole bunch of extra height there, but it is part of the tripod. There's also a little bubble level here. You could balance it bubble leveling. So the whole thing's very lightweight, and I think it's rated for 13 pounds max. Has, I believe it's a 42 millimeter little head here. It can go in either this way or that way, like so. And you can flip it for your 90-degree up and down vertical videos just like that. Pop this guy back down. It's got a pan and tilt. So a standard tripod head, primarily plastic construction with some aluminum in some of the parts. So Neewer brand name is generally pretty good quality stuff. I don't have any complaints about the quality here, but it's definitely the kind of budget bottom of the line type product. You know, it's all plastic with the exception of a couple of pieces here and there. Feels okay, but it's, you know, it's kind of a little plasticky. They kind of have, the head here feels extra big for the size of the tripod, and I don't think the head really needs to be that big for the little tabletop tripod. I kind of feel like they're reusing a head from a different tripod and just putting it on this smaller setup here. So if you need something that packs down very small, it definitely does that. It doesn't extend super high, so it's definitely a tabletop tripod. Nothing wrong with it, but I'm not super impressed. I mean, it is a low price point, but it's not like super impressive at that low price point. I feel like you kind of get what you're paying for here.